Hi everybody, in today's video, I've been wanting to do this for a bit, unbox my new Gucci bag with you. I tried to zoom out, but I couldn't figure it out. So it came in this really pretty shopping bag, has all these like stars and constellations, and then this lettering and stuff is kind of like holographic, which is really pretty. So I kind of want to talk about the different bags I tried on first and why I went with what I went with. So I'll stick like the Gucci picture on one of the sides of the bags that I tried on, and then kind of a picture of me trying it on, and then kind of let you know why I didn't choose that and kind of why I went with this. So the bag I really thought I would end up getting, and the first bag I went in store and tried, was going to be the Gucci Neo Vintage GG Supreme Messenger bag. This is a really cute bag, and I really like the the design of the bag. I liked the thicker strap of the bag, and the like size and just the style. It has a really beautiful sort of like floral printed lining. It has a nice price point as well. So this messenger bag is $13.90. And I just feel like it's very much recognizable that you're carrying a Gucci, which if you're going to buy a Gucci, you want people to know you're carrying a Gucci, in my opinion. The one reason that I did not go for this bag is that the strap was not adjustable. And I felt like the strap was more, I felt like, for me personally, I felt like the strap needed to be just a little bit longer. And if it were adjustable, I for sure would have gone with this bag. I feel like the wearing it crossbody just sort of hit me in a little bit of a weird spot that I did not care for. If I were like a little bit shorter, I think it would work. I'm only 5'5", I'm not even super tall, but I just felt like it hit me in a sort of weird spot, like a little bit too high for a crossbody. And so I was a little bit disappointed because this was sort of the one I had my eye on, and I just really feel like it's on trend with the thicker strap. I feel like that's very trendy right now, and also having like colorful straps on your designer bags is very trendy right now. And so I ended up kind of passing on this one. I tried it on. I kind of felt that it just hit in a weird spot, and then I thought, well, let me look at some other stuff and then decide and see what I think. But I definitely was like, oh man, I really want to be able to wear this crossbody. I think as a shoulder bag it was fine, but like I was so disappointed. I wish that the strap was adjustable because I probably would have gone with this bag. The other bag I tried on was the Jumbo GG mini bag. The strap on this was adjustable. It's again like thicker, colorful. I do appreciate the fabric with the larger double G Gucci embroidery on it. I liked where this bag hit. I liked the style of this bag, but I had tried this one on and another one in this Jumbo GG print, and I was like, this isn't coated canvas. And that was something that kind of I went back and forth on a little bit. Like, I take good care of my things, but I feel like if you're investing in something that you're hoping to last for a while, you want to get like the most durable materials possible. And I feel like you just cannot go wrong with the coated canvas. And I was afraid this would get dirty with something and I wouldn't be able to get it off, or even maybe like the fabric might get snagged. And so I was just like kind of disappointed because I really did enjoy the size of this bag. I loved that the strap was adjustable. I loved the thicker strap. You could totally tell you're carrying a Gucci. I feel like it's a little bit I feel like the Gucci colors are able to go with a lot of different things, like a little bit more neutral. And so I was kind of bummed. I also really did enjoy the price point of this bag for the size. And it's a nice size. I feel like you can fit your phone and then, some chapstick, a few lipsticks, a nice size wallet. I carry a really big wallet, so like a nice size wallet. And I just really liked the way this looked. Again, I felt like it was very on trend and just like a cute bag. So that was the second one I ended up trying on. And then I also ended up trying on the Jumbo GG Messenger bag. So this one was for $14.50. Again, this had like the really cool, thicker, trendier strap. The strap was adjustable. This was more of sort of like an envelope style bag. larger than the other two I had tried on as well. I tend to carry a lot of stuff, and so I liked the larger size of this. I felt like it was on trend. I felt like it was something, again, that would kind of go with a lot of different things. But again, the fabric was not a coated canvas, and I was really like kind of had my heart set on a coated canvas to start off with my first Gucci purchase. And so I was kind of really torn at first between the Messenger and the one I showed you previously, just because they had the adjustable strap. I was really, really loving that Jumbo GG print. And then the other bag that I tried on that I kind of thought if I didn't get the first one I showed you guys, this would be the one I would get. And I ended up trying on the Ophelia GG small shoulder bag. And I really expected to love this because I feel like it's sort of like a hobo style. I love a hobo bag. You could wear a crossbody, which I was looking for. And then when I put it on, like I wasn't feeling it. Like it just didn't hit for me like I thought it was going to. I think, again, the strap on this wasn't adjustable, so I felt like it hit a little bit in a weird spot to wear crossbody. And then I thought, well, let me just try it as the just plain old shoulder bag, see how I feel about that, which it was a good length there, but something about the shape just, I don't know, I wasn't in love with it. And it was kind of funny because even like the sales associate was like, eh. And I kind of feel like sales associates are going to try to sell you anything, but she was just like, I don't love this bag. I wouldn't buy this bag if I were you. And I was like, okay. And so I think she could like feel my energy that I was like, I don't know about this one. I don't know if it was like the moon, like, you know, like the half moon shape that got to me. But I really thought this was going to be like because I was worried the other bag was just going to be too small as well. Not necessarily the issue of the shortness, just a little too small for the stuff I like to carry. And so I thought this one's going to be good because it's bigger. It's going to fit more things. This is probably going to be the one I end up getting. And then when I just tried it on, I wasn't having it. I wasn't feeling it. And so, I don't know. It just, something about it just didn't mesh with me. And so I ended up skipping on this one as well. I kind of was really disappointed with the first bag, you know, and the length and where it hit on the body. And so the sales associate was so sweet, you guys. And so she was like, I think I have a really nice bag for you if you want to do the coated canvas. It has a lot of the things that you are looking for. And she's like, it's a really, really popular bag. Let me go and grab it for you. So this is the bag I ended up going with after trying on all those other bags. So there was a ribbon that came, but it fell off. This ribbon also kind of has like the little holographic print on it, and they just kind of wrap it around your little box. So you get this green printed Gucci box. It's a really nice, substantial, sort of like a hat box material. You're not supposed to store your bags in the box. You're only supposed to store them in the dust bags because the boxes can trap moisture and your bags can grow mold. I'm in a bag group on Facebook, and a lady had her Louis Vuitton grow mold inside, storing it inside this, and I was like, oh my gosh. And so I do keep the boxes for my bag because I just think it's really pretty, but I will not store the bag in the box, just in the dust cover. So then they wrap it in some really beautiful Gucci tissue paper. And then this is the little dust bag you get. You can see that it says Gucci on it. And then this is my new bag, you guys. Look at how pretty. So I ended up going with this one, and this is the Ophelia GG small messenger bag, and this is in the original GG Supreme. So it's like the basic Gucci colors of the brown and the tan with the green and the red. This is actually under the men's section of bags, but this is really, really cute, you guys. I tried this on in store. I'm obsessed. This is the back, and then the coated canvas. So it's basically canvas, but then they put like a coating on it, so it's really easy to care for. How I usually clean my coated canvas bags, so I buy the Pure Water baby wipes, and after the end of the day, like if I carry this bag, I'll just wipe all the coated canvas parts with the water only baby wipe and just let everything dry. One thing I do like about this bag, so I also have a Louis Vuitton Graceful, and that is also I have it in the monogram Louis Vuitton coated canvas. The one thing about that bag is it has like the vachetta leather, which you do have to baby. And so when I carry that one again, I'll clean all the coated canvas parts with the water only baby wipe, but I'll also wipe down the vachetta leather with that. So that you can get a really nice patina off of it. So I do that. I wipe down the coated canvas every day on that bag, but I only do the vachetta leather once a week while I carry the bag. And it's actually starting to get a very beautiful like patina on it. This bag is a little bit less of a diva because the leather on it is not vachetta. So this leather, you don't have to worry about trying to patina, or don't have to worry about it getting water spots and stuff like that. That's one thing about the vachetta leather that I do not like. This doesn't have to be as babied because the leather is not untreated. And so look at how cute this is. This does not have like the trendier webbed strap, and then this strap is not removable. So some bags have the removable strap. This is not removable, but this strap is adjustable, which I like. So you can do the leather strap to either be crossbody or for a shoulder bag, which is awesome. I really prefer a crossbody bag these days. I like being hands-free. I just think that it's nice to be hands-free. So this is a gorgeous, gorgeous bag, you guys. It's beautiful. I feel like it's a classic Gucci. It has a cute little front pocket here that you could like put a phone in, or like paperwork or things like that. And then on the top, you have this top pocket here. This bag is like really, really stuffed. I will usually keep the stuffing that comes in the bag and store the bag stuffed. That way, the coated canvas, so like I live in the desert, it's not super moist here. So things can get dry and crack. So I always keep my bags stuffed for storage. That way the coated canvas doesn't like get creases and crack. I also bought some travel pillows that if you threw these away, I buy little travel pillows that I stuff into my larger bags. And I always store them stuffed. So this is the inside. It sort of has like a linen lining. And then there's a little back pocket here that you can keep like lipsticks or whatever you wanted to put in there. One thing that I do when I'm carrying a nicer bag is I don't just put lipsticks in the bag. I put the lipsticks in another bag, and then I put that inside the bag. And also pens. That way if the pen opens, like it doesn't write in the lining of your bag, or if your lipstick opens, you don't stain the inside of your bag. In case you want to resell these, it's better for them to be in really, really good condition. I know the resale prices of Gucci are not, they lose their value compared to like if you want to resell like a Louis Vuitton or a Chanel. Those hold their value a lot better. So I don't plan to resell it, but just an FYI. I like how this has like a kind of like a set shape, and so some bags you have to get like an organizer to kind of like keep a shape in it. Like in my Louis Vuitton, I have an organizer that sort of keeps the shape of the canvas. This you don't really need to do that because it already sort of has that shape to it. But you guys, I'm obsessed. Let me give you the dimensions on this bag. So this bag has an adjustable leather strap with a 2.15 inch drop, and then it is 9 inches wide by 9.5 inches high and 2 inches deep. And then they have it on a model that's 6 feet tall. So you guys are gonna get a kick out of this outfit. But this is, like I said, it was under the male bags on the Gucci site. but he's 6 feet tall. So I am only 5'5". It's a substantial size bag, but it still kind of has like that trendier crossbody look, which is popular right now. And I am obsessed, you guys. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. Keep an eye out on my Instagram to see how I style this. I cannot wait to wear this. I think that it goes well with stuff for spring, but then it also goes with stuff for fall. I just feel like you can't go wrong, you know, with like a designer printed bag. So I'm really excited for my first Gucci. I definitely have a few other things I would like to purchase, but you know, I got a budget and save. So anyway, this was such a nice pre-surgery treat. I'm so excited with it. This is the first designer bag I have bought myself. My Louis Vuitton was a gift from my husband for my 42nd birthday, I think. So I bought this for myself, and I'm like, Merry Christmas to me. Happy New Year to me. Happy surgery recovery to me. So let me know if you guys have any designer handbags. Is that something you're interested in? Do you have anything from Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Chanel? Like one of the other popular bags I've been really looking at, it's not like super high end, but I've been looking for a Marc Jacobs the tote bag. I don't know if I'm gonna pull the trigger on that, but it's like a really kind of cool style. It holds a lot of stuff, which is something that I tend to carry a lot of stuff. But if you guys like this video, please make sure to click the like button down below. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. And thanks you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video. I hope you're having an amazing day. Bye.